I need some help just like anyone else. Hold me closer in these trying times. 'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making me...
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this Curlyme Hair wig, okay? This is the first time that I'm trying out 30 inches. I don't know why it took me so long to get 30 inches, but baby, today's video is about this 30-inch wig, okay? So this is a water wave texture. It is 30 inches. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig. I'm going to show you the construction of the wig on the inside. It's a transparent lace. Let's just talk about how I installed this unit. I used my wig dealer. It's bonding gel. Where is it? It's touch up lace bonding gel. This thing is so strong. Let me tell you, it is better than the Godspeed Hold or Insta Hold hairspray. Much better than that. If you are looking for a temporary hold that is going to hold up in the summer, okay, in the summer, I would highly suggest using this because it is just, it gives you the feel of using a glue, okay? So that's what I used to install this unit. I had already prepped this wig, and by that I mean I plucked a lot. You're going to have to, and I also went ahead and put some of my contour powder on the lace just to blend it. I usually would use either contour powder or lace tint spray, and I can't find mine, so contour powder works just the same. Now when it comes to this texture, it said it's water wave. It's giving me curly vibes. It's a little bit more curlier than I typically like my water wave textures to look like. Okay, so the wig on my head, it does not feel like it's super heavy. It's actually very lightweight considering it's 30 inches. It's a lot of hair. It's 250% density. So let's talk about the density. So obviously you can see that the hair is, and this is not all hair. Let's put it all to the front. Like, the hair is super thick, and I'm trying not to run my hands through it as much because I don't want it to get super big. It is getting a touch frizzy, so I would suggest using some type of curling smoothie or something just to define the hair a little bit. That's just my opinion. You know, sometimes I like a little frizz, but I feel like this is going to get super frizzy if I continue to like run my fingers through it. I decided to put it up in this cute like half do, and I use like these little tiny claw clips. They're like super tiny. Got them off of Amazon. So I absolutely love these claw clips. They're perfect for half do's, up do's, like just anything, okay? Braids, twists, whatever. So this is the size I normally get off of Amazon. But y'all, they have the little tiny baby ones. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a lot of maintenance. It's very, very, very high maintenance, especially 30 inches. Y'all gonna be putting in some work, okay? Yeah. So that's really all I have to say. If you tried this hair from this company, leave a comment down below so the girlies can, you know, just take notes of different opinions. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in the next one. Bye.
This might be too real, too real. Too real. Hold me closer in these trying times.